Well, tomorrow is the official start of hurricane season, and it will run on through November. Now, we've already had our first named storm of the season. However, it has been in the eastern Pacific, so no threat for us here in Southwest Florida. But since this morning, it has gone post-tropical as it has run into quite a bit of shear, some cool waters and dry air, and so it has just fizzled out as it was approaching the Baja Peninsula. But we will take a look at another area in the eastern Pacific that does have a 40% medium chance of developing. Again, that would be no threat to us here in Southwest Florida. And as we take a look out in the Atlantic, the Gulf, the Caribbean, and not seeing any signs of development over the next 7 days. But back locally, it is nice and quiet here, as you can see on Wink Live Doppler 3X, 3 times more accurate radar, even though it was a soggy start to our day as we had showers and thunderstorms moving in as a front pushed into our neck of the woods, and that front is lingering, and so that's going to be bringing some more rain and storm activity our way as we head into our Sunday. Right now we're at 76 in Lehigh Acres, 81 in Golden Gate, and 82 in Sanibel. Dew points in that humid range sitting in the low to mid 70s, just indicating how much moisture we have in the atmosphere, and we do have an onshore flow coming in around that 5-mile-per-hour mark. So as we head into those overnight hours, we do have the potential for those showers and storms to begin to develop, moving in off of the Gulf and then working their way onshore. We'll continue to see that line moving through as we head into the 7-8 o'clock hour. You will notice that's when the focus is going to be sitting closer to Lee County, and that line will just continue to push to the south throughout the morning. We won't dry out as we head into the afternoon, but the activity will become more isolated in nature after the lunch hour. So the rain chances won't be non-zero as we head into the afternoon, but it is going to be a lot quieter for us, especially when compared to those morning hours. As we're looking at scattered showers and storms, temperature is going to be starting off low to mid 70s into the afternoon. Another day where those temperatures are a little bit cooler because of the rain and cloud cover, with highs in the mid to upper 80s. And for parts of Southwest Florida, so really from central to southern portions of Lee County, the entirety of Collier, and the majority of Hendry County under a low-end risk of severe weather for tomorrow, with the main threats being some strong gusty winds, and we can't rule out the potential of a brief tornado, mainly with those storms moving through in those early morning hours. The rain chances will be sticking with us as we head into the upcoming work week, and it's going to hang around even as we head into next week, this next weekend and into next week.